So glossy and so cute, so Barbie. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. Today I'm doing Barbie DIY. Yay! So I'm not done with my cork board yet. I know it already looks cute. So far I put the world's smallest Barbie doll on the top with some of shoes, and also I decorated with a bunch of doll shoes, mostly pink colors. Yeah, so it already looks cute, but I want to hang this in front of my desk, and I want to make it more durable because this base cork board is just $1.50 from Daiso, so it's not the strongest one. I know that. So today I wanna finish with this. I wanna put this Barbie masking tape on here on the top part. So let me try first and see how it look like, you know. If it didn't look cute, I'll think about another option. Make sure I'm placing the tape straight. I got this tape like several years ago from Japan. Yeah. Unfortunately, they don't sell this anymore. I wish if they did again. I need to buy like 10 rolls or more. And cut here. It's just like 2mm longer than this board. So I'm cutting off. It's hard to cut, but you see it? It's a little longer. Okay, I think it looks perfect now. Yeah, this is what I wanted. So now I need to cover with resin. I want to coat so it could look more glossy. So I'm just holding like this so I can put resin easily. Working with resin, I'm just doing the same method as I did the kitchen floor. So I have resin and hardener, and we need to mix with exact same amount, 1 and 1. I don't have the plastic measuring cup anymore, so I'm using this paper cup. Okay, I'm gonna measure this. Okay, let's mix. And remember, this wood stick is the one I got from Daiso the other day. Okay, I've been mixing for 1 minute. Yeah, it looks really clear now. Okay, let's start. I will just use paintbrush this time. Put like this. I'm not putting too much. Oh my gosh, this brush keeps shredding. Little bit annoying. Maybe I should use different one. Oh my gosh. Nope, not this one. Let me try another one. Yeah, this one works better. Make sure you cover every single part. Thin coat is fine. When you put too thick, it could get bubble and get too bumpy. Thin coat is good. I just noticed it gets hot really quick. I think I need to hurry up a little bit. Looking good so far. I really like how it looks glossy. Once it starts getting hotter, it cures really quick, so you really gotta work hurry. Alright, I think it's all covered. And now I don't wanna get stuck. Ah! Ah! Help me, help me. It's really slippery. Got it. Ta-da! Now it's all covered. So I just need to let them dry for 8 hours and it'll be done. Oh my gosh, I love this. Wow, looks so good. So I'm thinking to hang this cutest Barbie cork board over my desk later. My gosh, I'm so excited. Yay. So literally I just got this cork board with $1.50 and maybe I spent like not even $10. I bought a lot of doll shoes on eBay. I don't think it's Mattel brand actually. Yeah, it's just doll shoes, you know. You could still find these, the world's smallest Barbie doll, maybe on eBay. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love this so much. Yeah, just with real creativity, you can make this cute Barbie item by yourself. I cannot wait till tomorrow. So now the resin is dried. It looks so cute, so glossy and so cute, so Barbie. Wow. See? It's glossy and yeah, it looks better. I mean, it was already pretty, but yeah, now it looks even better. And I think I want to hang this cork board here. Yeah, it'll be perfect. I'm so excited. I highly recommend this DIY. It's super easy, but so creative and really cute. Yeah, everyone could do this. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.